Assuming you've watched the interactivity section on the support documents, you're ready to start editing your audio file. This means you've added a node to the canvas and created an audio file on the timeline of that node. This also means you've uploaded an audio file to the asset section of the CMS. If you've done this, you can right-click on the audio file on your timeline and click Edit. The first thing you want to do is select your audio file from the list of uploaded assets over here. Any audio file added to a timeline can be a variety of formats and triggered with a few different options. To start, your trigger time is set to automatic, meaning it will begin playing your audio file at the start time, here. Your duration will be automatically set to the length of the audio file selected. You can change the duration as you see fit. The audio transition will be set to none, and your volume will exist at 100%. You can adjust both of these freely as you see fit. Your type of audio will be set as standard, meaning it will play your file in its existing 2D audio format with no positional effects. Any type of audio can be triggered by a hotspot, which we will cover in a second. First, let's cover the types of audio our system takes. Standard audio, as discussed, results in 2D audio with no positional effects. Point audio creates positional audio that is played at a point in 3D space. The measurements are based in meters. It follows the same hotspot-based coordinate system used earlier. You'll be given the option to open the preview editor where you can place your audio file anywhere in the scene. Your audio file will now sound like it's coming from this exact location to your user as they move their head. You can use the point audio option to easily add spatial audio to your content, even if you only have mono and stereo audio tracks. The next type of audio is Ambisonic's B format. This allows you to add any audio recording using the Ambisonic's B format, which is a full sphere surround sound technique. Finally, we have EPP, or equal power panning. This places an audio file within a 360-degree plane around the user. The rotation is in a counterclockwise position, so 90 degrees is to the left. If you add 4 of these at a 90, 180, 270, and 360 degrees, the system will pan between them as a user rotates its head. Once you have your audio type selected, you can choose how you want your audio to be triggered. An automatic trigger will start your audio file at the start time here. A hotspot will create a space where a user can look to play the audio file. You can place an audio hotspot the same way you do with video, using the X, Y, and Z axes. You can create more sophisticated interactions for your audio using an advanced hotspot. This will give you 3 options. The first of which is volume only. You want to use this option when you want your hotspot-based audio to begin playing at the start time, here, instead of based on when a user looks at it. With this option, your user won't be able to hear the audio file unless they are looking at the hotspot. Imagine this for a story where you can hear someone's thoughts by looking at them, but you want that thought to be playing and continue playing whether a user is watching that character or not. Next is Stop on Gaze Out. This option makes it so an audio file will stop playing when a user looks away from the area that hotspot covers. This allows you to turn audio off when it's not relevant to where a user is looking. Finally, we have Times Triggerable. This determines how many times a user can look at a hotspot after looking away to trigger that audio file again. In this case, setting it to 0 means infinity, allowing a user to trigger the audio file every time they look at it. Imagine this for something like playing the drums.